the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 14 from verse 7 to verse 14. Humble yourself. Jesus see how the guests them a try to sit down near the head of the table. So him tell them that little story. When somebody invite you to go to one wedding, no sit down in the best seat, cause they might have invite somebody more special than you. The one we invite the two of you, we can't tell you say, give the man your seat. Shame will take you, and you will have to take the lowest seat. So when them invite you, take the lowest place. That way there, the somebody will invite you, we can say to you, friend, move up, go take one better place. Then you will get big up in front of the other guests them. Everybody will put themselves over other people, we get put on. But if you humble yourself, you will get big up. Then Jesus said to the somebody we invite him, say, when you give one lunch or one dinner, no invite your friend, brother, your family, or your rich neighbor them neither. Cause they might invite you and pay you back. When you have one dinner, invite poor, cripple, lame, and blind people. And then God will bless you. Them can't pay you back. But you will get paid back when all of the dead them will do right. Come back alive. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.